This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to activate your RBC Royal Bank debit card. Whether you've just received a new card or replaced an old one, activating it is a simple process that you can complete in just a few minutes. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to open your web browser on either your computer or your phone and head to the RBC Royal Bank website. It's important to ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the process. Once there, you'll need to sign in to your RBC online banking account using your username and password. If you haven't set up online banking yet, you'll need to do that first by following the bank's registration instructions. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your account dashboard. This is where you'll find all of your account information and options. Look for the debit card or card management section. This is typically where you'll manage all aspects related to your cards, including activation, deactivation, and viewing card details. In the card management section, you'll want to select the option specifically for activating your debit card. This will prompt you to enter some necessary information. You'll need your debit card number and possibly the expiry date, so make sure to have your card handy. Don't be surprised if the system also asks for some personal verification details to ensure it's really you. After entering the required information, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your identity. This might involve answering security questions or verifying additional details. To enhance security, you might also receive a verification code. This code could be sent to you via text message or email, so keep an eye on both. Once you've completed these steps, your debit card should be activated. You're now all set to start using it for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and online transactions. It's always a good idea to try a small transaction first to make sure everything is working smoothly. And that's how to activate an RBC Royal Bank debit card. It's a straightforward process, but if you run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact RBC's customer service for assistance. They're there to help ensure you have a smooth banking experience. Thanks for tuning in and happy banking.